Hey everybody, welcome out to another PhotoGIJoeHero toy opening. I'm outside in my yard today. I've been meaning to open this Jodie shooter Craig for a while now. Been trying to find a good time to get out and make sure I get some good sniper pictures with her. But yeah, this is a figure that I've been wanting to pick up for a while. Well, wanting to open for a while. Like I said, I had it for a little bit. I've actually picked up a couple of her. Haven't opened that. Got to open the first one so that I can give the unboxing. But yeah, she looks cool. First time you see her is in the 30th anniversary series, 50th anniversary. Anyway, the 3 3/4 in the 3-pack. She's cool figure. The sniper look is awesome. Yeah, she's got the tattoo number 90. She's got the rifle, the other armaments that she's got. But yeah, I'm excited to get this one open and see what we have inside. Get the edges cut off. This is back to the ones where they didn't want to show the outside, saving plastic and all that stuff. Got the little chest you could keep with all of her stuff if you wanted. Okay, be careful what I dump out. Okay, we got everything open. Got this hairstyle with the braids down the top. Got this one that's just the ponytail. Not sure what this is yet. I think it's for the sniper rifle. And we got the magazine. Hopefully YouTube doesn't do too much. I got with the words that you shouldn't be using, like sniper rifle and gun. Here's her knife. This open. Oh, it's going to take more than that. Get this cut. Okay. Okay, and then her very bent firearm. Okay, let's get the magazine in there. Go like this. Nope. Just like that. Yeah, very bent. Okay, and let's get her out. Okay, got her out of the box. The figure is really good. She's got the tattoos on there. The detail is really awesome. She's got the same hairstyle, so that when you take off the mask, it looks the same. Has Scarlet's legs. The shoes are interesting. Different look. I like it. Although you would think that going through the jungle, you don't want your shoes tied, but she's got the bracer up here, and then the mask. Let's actually go ahead and just take that off. I'm going to put on this one. Here. Actually, that one looks better anyway. But yeah, so she looks good. Head has the ball joint. Got the inlay for the shoulder, and then spins on the bicep. Double jointed elbow. The wrist doesn't, I guess, does break a little bit. She spins on the stomach, on the waist, ball joint with the drop down, on the hip, spins on the thigh, double jointed knee, and then the foot does have good range of motion on that ball joint there. But the detail looks good. She's got the little timer there that you can read really well. The color of her hair is brown and then black, so it's really nice. See if we can get her armed. That in there. Get her firearm in here. Those don't hold real great, but slide them up and they'll do okay. And then backpack is for the rifle, I would assume. Somehow. In a strange way to do it, but it goes like, no. Maybe it goes like that. 1 second. Had to shush the cat away. Yeah, it doesn't. It goes like this and turns. I guess that barrel's gonna seriously annoy me. Okay, anyway, there she is. Let's give her something to hold in her hand. Okay, that is Jodie Shooter Craig. The cat's getting in the way. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe to the video. Subscribe to the channel. Definitely can use more viewers. Thanks everybody for watching. Let me know what you've thought of her and others just like it. And there's my cat again. All right, thanks everybody. PhotoGIJoeHero out.